Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create goals in Clickup using the new Clickup Goals feature. This update makes it much easier to track progress, align your work with objectives, and stay focused on what actually matters. So, let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Clickup website. Once the page loads, sign into your Clickup account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your main workspace dashboard where all your projects, tasks, and views are available. Now, head over to the left sidebar and click on Goals. With the new ClickUp update, the Goals section is more streamlined and easier to use. Click on Create Goal to get started. Give your goal a clear name that explains exactly what you want to achieve and set a due date so you have a timeline to work toward. Next, add targets to your goal. Targets are how ClickUp measures progress. You can choose from different target types like task-based targets, number-based targets, or custom tracking options. For example, you might track how many tasks are completed or how many milestones are reached. Once targets are added, link tasks or entire lists to them. As those tasks are completed, your goal progress updates automatically in real time. This is one of the biggest advantages of the new goals feature. No manual updates, everything stays synced. You can also organize multiple targets under one goal. For instance, if you're launching a product, you might have separate targets for planning, execution, and review. This keeps everything structured while still giving you a clear overview. Another useful update is visibility control. You can choose who can see or edit goals, making it easy to share progress with your team or keep personal goals private. This helps improve accountability without creating distractions. Make it a habit to review your goals regularly. If priorities change, you can edit targets, adjust due dates, or mark goals as complete once they're achieved. The updated interface makes these changes quick and easy. And that's it. The new ClickUp Goals feature is a powerful way to connect daily tasks with long-term objectives and track progress effortlessly. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more ClickUp tutorials.